Hello, I have this DeLonghi Magnifica here. It stopped working on me. You hit the power button and it will not turn on. Although sometimes it actually does turn on, but not very much anymore. So I have this new front panel. I'm thinking maybe it's just the power button. As you can see on this panel, it comes with the circuit board and all the buttons and the cable to connect it to the other main circuit board. So I'm just going to go through the steps of replacing it and we'll see if it works. First step is we'll unplug it. Take out the water container. Here we got a couple screws on this side. This allows this side to slide back just a little bit, just about an inch, to reveal these two screws. I'll go to the other side. Here there are also two screws on this side, however the plastic is broken on mine, so I can just remove it. And that reveals two more screws for this side of the front plate. Now, to remove this, we'll just open up the beam portion and then just kind of flick the top of it up here, lift it up a tiny bit. Oh, I'm sorry. First we have to take off this button. So it's a little tight, but you can take that off. Now we can take off the face plates. Now we can take off the ribbon cable to the main board. There's just a little tab we need to gently move back so we can take it off. Now I'll do everything in reverse order to get it back together. Put the new ribbon cable on. There we go. Lined up here. Good, so all four sides go in the right place. Put this back on. Cable to lay flat. plug it in. So it does have power. Now I hit the power button, see if that, moment of truth. Oh yeah. That did it, that fixed it. So if it's not turning on for you, you may just need to replace the front panel. And that's how you do it.